Hi, this is the second part of a tutorial about how to create a website from a Photoshop file with Dreamweaver. Now we upload this file. We create two layers, which will be the menu, and the content will be get there here from a MySQL server. Alright, so let's go to a website which is www.phpcode.hu. With this site you could do, for example, a content manager, a very easy content manager program. Select here English if you are English, and register here or use the test user. Is the simplest way to generate a MySQL table. Let's submit here. You submit successfully, and here project administration, add a new project. If there is no project, add here something, for example my page 1. It's necessary to store your tables into projects. Go to table admin and add those fields you wanted to use. The first is site label. That will just a simple text field. Add another one. The second field will the content, and the content type is full HTML editor, and you require to fill this, and the site label will require to fill. Right, and table name. Add the table name here, and that will my content 1. And select this project, my page 1, you've done before. And click submit. Go to this part, choose that project you've done, and choose that table you insert before. Select this. From the selected table it makes management code for listing, insert, update and delete function. I've added another function which is list a simple link from that database and click to the details page. Will list from the database. Let's submit, and generate these codes into some kind of files. These are the file names. Let's download. Open this file. And open it and decompress into a folder. I have for you to put near images another folder which is administrate, and save all the files from that compressed file into that folder. Alright, and copy that whole folder into images. Another thing, in these files there is a connect.php, and set these values, the hostname to the MySQL connection, the user and password, and so on. If you don't know how to set this file, you could answer your administrator, your host, or I could help how to fill it, right? So what we have now is copy that connect.php into design.php, and there are two another list my content and details my content. Copy that files next to design.php, and you set the connect.php, copy next to these files. Also copy connect.php into that folder where you put the administrate, right? So administrate, open it, and this is the file. Oh, let's go to PHP code and select this MySQL database. After, go to PHP myadmin and run this query. Select this database and run that SQL query. When you click and download these files, you will find this SQL query into database that text file, right? So run this, and here is the table, my content 1, but there is no data into it. It has those fields you enter and another which is the ID field to identify, to make your row ID. So here it is. I'm gonna change something into this design. I will insert the content, select program, and the menu, select content file. In the menu, you will insert the list my content, open this file, as you can see here are the description. You could insert with this code. Open in source code. Let's change into that code and and open detail my content and insert this code into the content parts in source code view, right? This is it. Go to the second part of this tutorial. Third part of this tutorial, please.